Showing you guys how you guys can log in into Google Pay. So if you guys do not know Google Pay is a digital wallet. Basically, you can just link your, normal credit or your debit card to your Google account, and basically your Google Pay account is created. And through that, you guys can pay for different stuff online. Alright, so that's basically the job of Google Pay. And how you guys can log in into it, it's pretty simple. So basically what you need to do is you just need to search for Google Pay login after you search for it. Now before moving forward, after you do that, like by searching Google Pay login, you want to click on this where it says sign in Google account. It's going to take you to pay.google.com. You need to see this where it says pay.google.com and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the website where you guys can, sign up for Google Pay. So basically Google Pay is like Google account. So don't get confused. I've already logged into my account. So as you guys can see, it shows my profile picture over here. But if you guys have not yet, it's going to ask you to log in into your Google account. So you want to log in into the Google account where you guys have that Google Pay, alright? So just log in into your Google account like you normally do, and basically your Google Pay information is going to be displayed over here if you guys have linked a card. But since I have not yet linked my Google Pay card, it's not showing anything over here. It shows add a payment method even though I have already logged in. Alright, so that's basically how you guys can log in into Google Pay. Hope you guys were able to understand the video.